In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create liability accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing finances for your own business or assisting others with their accounting needs, understanding how to properly set up liability accounts in QuickBooks can enhance your financial tracking and reporting. Once you're logged in, head over to the Transactions section. This is your starting point for managing your accounts, and it's essential for keeping track of all financial activities. The Transactions section is like your financial hub, where all incomings and outgoings are recorded. In this part of the software, you can monitor your financial health comprehensively. When you're in the Transactions section, you'll see an option that says Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. The Chart of Accounts is the backbone of any accounting software, organizing all the accounts that make up your balance sheet and income statement. It's a vital tool that provides a structured overview of your business's finances. Next, you'll want to create a new account. For this, click on the New button. Doing so will open a window that allows you to enter details for your new account. Let's start with the account name. Think carefully about what you want to call this account, as it will be the identifier for this liability in all your future transactions and reports. Choose a name that clearly describes the liability, ensuring it makes sense to anyone who might review or audit your accounts. Now you'll need to select the account type. Since we're creating a liability account, go ahead and choose Current Liabilities. This step is crucial as it categorizes the account correctly for financial reporting. Getting this classification right ensures that your financial statements will reflect your true financial position. After selecting the account type, you'll need to choose a detail type. Go for Other Current Liabilities to further specify what kind of liability this is. The detail type helps give additional context within your financial records, assisting anyone who reviews your accounts in understanding the nature of your liabilities. It acts as a further layer of categorization that can be very useful during audits or when explaining your finances to stakeholders. Once you've categorized your account, it's time to enter the unpaid balance. This balance is what you currently owe, so it's important to be accurate. An accurate balance ensures your liability is correctly reflected in your financial documents, keeping your financial picture precise. Next, don't forget to add the as of date. This date should reflect when the liability balance is accurate, usually the date you're entering it into QuickBooks or the start date of your financial period. Adding this date ensures your financials are both timely and relevant. Finally, when you've entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. This will ensure that your new liability account is now part of your chart of accounts, readily available for tracking and future reporting. And there you have it. You've successfully created a liability account in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, managing your liabilities becomes a seamless part of your financial operations, ensuring you always have accurate and up-to-date insights into your financial health. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.